you had done last time. I like that the session was so amazing and very helpful for me.
And another one was Sir Shoaib, in which we have learned about team building, and all together we made how to make a rain.
Ms. Vinish tell me that what is activity-based learning, what it can do, how it helps. They are really amazing. I must say they are not teachers, they are superheroes.
I like one that are you.
So what are the 7 C's of communication?
There are 5 C's and 2 O's. Will come and they will kick out of our home, and I want to be a big landlady of English language.
They go on to do wonderful things. They go out off to the United States and study on exchange programs and come back. They go to university here in Pakistan and achieve wonderful things in their programs.